It is advisable to use a PC to do the settings of the 10 pawns for waveform generation because you can see the actual waveform before you start running it. Now without the PC, we can still use the voltage and the current knob to do the settings and the running of the waveform generation. Press the current knob for 3 seconds until you see this. Now the unit is in programmable mode. Okay. Move the voltage knob until you see dvdt, right, set. Now this is doing the settings, all the parameters ready for waveform generation. Press the voltage knob again to get into the dvdt setting mode. Okay. The first one is run pawns. How many pawns you want to run? There are 10 pawns. All right. As you can see from here, there are 10 pawns. Okay, let's do it for say 6 pawns. All right. And then move the voltage knob again. The next you want to set actually is the cycle, number of cycles you want to run for the 6 pawns. This time 0 means non-stop or indefinitely running. 1 means 1 cycle, and so on. You can go all the way up to 999 cycles. Okay, let's settle it for say 19 cycles. Okay. Now, the next one we move the volume knob is go to PO1U. That means pawn number 1 U here it represents the voltage. Now the set voltage is 1 volt. Okay, you want to change the value, all right? You can change by moving the current knob, all right? Let's settle at 505 volt. Move the voltage knob again. You go to A, means the available current for pawn 1. A represents current, amp, all right? This is 1 amp, okay? We can make it to say, all right? So, and then we move the voltage knob again. Pawn 1, T represents the time, transit time from pawn 1 to pawn 2. Here is 1 second. Now we can change this value, all right? Okay, now let's change it to 6 seconds. Okay, so pawn 1, you have, right, pawn 1, you have 2.2, 1 amp, 505 voltage, okay, right, and then from pawn 1 to pawn 2, the transit time is 6 seconds. We move again to pawn 2. Pawn 2 is 3 volt. You can change it by moving the current knob. Every time you want to change the value, parameters of the pawn, you move the current knob, adjust the current knob, all right? And then the current available for pawn 2 is 3. We can change it, say, okay, all right, or 316. And then you move the volume knob again. Okay, so it's pawn 2 to pawn 3, the transit time. Now here is 1 second. You can make it say, okay, 13 seconds. So pawn 2 is finished. Now you can use the same procedure to set the voltage, the current level, and the transit time for each of the rest of the pawns. Right? You can always go back to check or change the value to see the parameter for each pawn. That means each pawn you have voltage, current, and transit time to the next pawn. All right? So this is it. All right? So exit from your setting, press the current knob for 3 seconds until the display change back